Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can hide your taskbar. So as you can see, it hides when I'm not hovering my cursor over this. But how do you do that, you ask? So what you do is hover to your taskbar, right click on it, then you'll see taskbar settings. And now what you need to do is click on taskbar behaviors over here, and then you'll see that automatically hide the taskbar. If you uncheck that, which you probably do, it's just there. Even if I hover my mouse up here, it won't do anything. So you just need to click on automatically hide taskbar, and it should hide your taskbar. It's that simple. So if you want to return it to back to normal, just uncheck that. That's it. That is how you hide the taskbar of this video. Hope you like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.